All right, Algebra 2. We're in lesson 1.4, 1-4. And this is your problem number 7. For me, that's a 28. All right, so the sum described below, the sum of the first 10 positive integers. So I'm going to show you a short way, and for this one, it wouldn't be so hard to just add those up. But if you go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to jump up here and go 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that the first 10? I guess I could have written them all out. Wouldn't have been that much more. But the way this works is it goes kind of like this, and we're going to write it as a formula eventually, because if we had a long list of numbers, we wouldn't want to do this by hand. But you add the first one and the last one together. 1 and 10, that's 11. 2 and 9, that'd be 11. 3 and 8, that would be 11, and keep going. And how many 11s do you have? Well, you've got 10 numbers and we're pairing them up. So if you take that 10, cut it in 2, and you take the a sub 1 and add it to the a sub n, that's how we would get our final answer. So a sub 1 is this 1. A sub n is that 10. That's what this is. And then how many of those sums do we have? Half of however many numbers there are. So in this case, this 10 is like the n, how many numbers we have. And so we'd have a 5 times 11, or 55. But this formula, again, maybe let's write that out. So sometimes to sum these up, they'll write it as a kind of a big S. We're going to sum the numbers from 1 to 10. And in this case, it's just the a sub n. It's just adding the numbers themselves. And so the big S like this, there's going to be another time where we use the Greek letter sigma to sum the numbers from 1 to 10, where the numbers are just the n themselves. Would be one way to write that as well. All right, so 55 was the answer we got. And let's see what it says. It says that was not right. Sum the first 10 positive, even integers. Hello, read the question. Let's erase all this. Well, that's okay. We got a little introduction to kind of what we're getting ready to do anyway. So what's the first even number? It would be the first question. The first 10 positive even integers. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Is it gonna be 12 to 20 then? Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 numbers. All right, so we're still going to follow the same strategy that we did in the last example that I messed up. But we're going to add the 2 and the 20. How much is that? 22. 4 and the 18. 22. 6 and the 16. You can keep going like this, but I'm going to stop. So we've got 22 that they're adding up to every time, and then times 5, right? Well, I don't know. Is 22, let's see, 5 times 22 is 20 plus 2, right? And then 5 times 20 is 100, and 5 times 2 is 10, so 110. Well, that's kind of interesting. That's double the answer we had the last time. So you can kind of think about why that is. There's some logical reasons, but I'm not going to take your time since I already messed the problem up once for you. So there you go.